ta-da, it was that simple. We just connected our new remote. Look at that. Hey everyone, TV Chef here. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add and pair a new remote with your Fire TV or your Fire TV stick. If you're interested in this particular model of TV or you want to browse some other Fire TVs and Fire TV sticks, I'll have a link to some of them in the video description. All right, it's time for a quick viewer intervention. Yes, I'm talking to you. No, don't look away. I'm talking to you right now. In the last 28 days, almost 40,000 of you have viewed the TV Chef channel, but only 98 of you have become a subscriber. So would you please consider clicking that subscribe button? Bonus points if you like, comment, and share our videos as well. If you don't like our videos, please give it a thumbs down, click that dislike button, and tell us why in the comment section. We'd love to hear from you either way. Also, bonus points for you if you want to share it with an ex-boyfriend, ex-girlfriend, estranged sibling, spouse. You get the idea. We'd be grateful for that as well. Step number one, go over to our settings gear icon, and we need to choose controllers and Bluetooth devices, then select Alexa voice remote, then go ahead and choose add a new remote. At this stage, we need to take the new remote, and we have ours right here, and hold down the home button for around 10 seconds. Ours popped up right away instantaneously. We just pressed the home button, and we're all set and ready to go. So on the old remote, now let's go back here, let's select it, and it's ready to pair. And ta-da, it was that simple. We just connected our new remote. Look at that. Now we can use this remote to control our TV just like the other remote right here. So we have two different options now, two different remote controls connected to the TV, and both work.